everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a long overdue video, and it's me showing you guys the stuff that I got, and I'm going to be unboxing and building some of these pieces, so I'm really excited. It is retro, vintage inspired home decor items. I did show you guys in my other video. Go ahead and check that out before watching this video. So I'm really excited to show you guys, and I don't know, I just really wanted a space where I feel like you're like in a time capsule era and you feel like you're just in a different time. So yeah, enjoy and grab a popcorn or your wine glass and enjoy. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So this is my little space that I'm gonna redecorate. So this is what it looks like right now. I have all of my son's toys and junk on our coffee table that we do not use. Probably have to do some donations because my son has way too much toys. We shall see. Gotta clean this up. And yeah, there it is. This is all done. Finally done. It looks a little crooked, but it's okay. She works and she's beautiful, so I'm happy with it. Okay, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this beautiful cabinet. I might just put it like right here, or maybe just put it in the middle. I don't know. So for now, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Right there for right now, and then I'm gonna figure out with my other stuff how I'm gonna decorate. Okay, so now I'm liking it better. Got my little cabinet with my little bookshelf. Now I want to move this more over here. It's cute. I want to get a plant and probably put it right there or right there. I don't know. We'll see. So I got this thing right here and here. I have random stuff in there. I kind of like it better now that I added that right there. It fills in the space a little more. And eventually I will get curtains, but for now, this works. Okay, now I have my picture here, and I'm gonna put it against this wall over here. was quite a bit of work in process. It did take a couple of weeks to get everything at once, like the curtains, the bigger items, like the furniture items. So it did take some time, but you know, it was all worth it. And hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you guys, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys my space because this is just fun to make. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!